Gator Pit of Texas, Rich Robin here. I got Erick here who's picking up his Gator Pit 2448 offset smoker and grill combo. Erick, got a question for you, man. What made you choose Gator Pit when you were doing your searches?
So I was online. I was looking at different companies, and I noticed that you guys were probably the best priced pit in town. And obviously, I buy everything, especially when I'm gonna spend some money. I buy it all off ratings, and you guys had one of the highest ratings in pits here in Houston. So that's what brought me here.
Well, that's wonderful to hear. So when you contacted Gator Pit, obviously you spoke with me because I handle all sales.
Absolutely.
How was the order process?
It was very smooth. I mean, we came here, spent some time here, really just talked about the different options for me. And, you know, I didn't feel like you were pushy. I think you just offered me, you know, exactly what you felt that I needed based off what I was going to use the pit for. And, you know, and obviously this is what we came out with. So and nice job on the USMC here.
Of course.
Nice touch.
Of course. I always appreciate our military servicemen, so thank you for your service. So once you ordered it, how was the lead time? Was it kind of what you expected from what I told you, the wait time, the process, etc.? You know,
yeah,
be yourself, be honest.
Yeah, it was. I mean, I felt like, you know, obviously we bought it in June. Here we are in September picking it up. At the end of the day, I think when I saw it, it was well worth the wait and definitely worth the money spent. Well spent.
Well, good to hear, man. So I know you're excited to get this thing home and get it seasoned. So what's going to be your first cook? What is it?
You know, I've got pork butts in the freezer right now. I've got pork loins. I've got ribs. Just cooked a brisket last weekend, so I'll probably have to pick up a brisket or two, but kind of a variety. Want to see how much I can fit in there and cook all at one time.
Good deal. Well, Erick, I appreciate your business. And you got any questions on this, once you get it home, give me a call because our service doesn't stop now that you've got the pit. All right?
All right.
So thank you and God bless, sir.
Thank you.